to my channel. I'm Coco Chera. If this is your first time here, welcome. Welcome to my closet. I did a DIY closet makeover. I talked a little bit about in my past videos about decluttering and, you know, getting your life together. So I finally did my closet. I redid my closet. I got rid of clothes. And it's finally a closet that I feel like I can be proud of. So I'm just going to show you guys what I did, talk to you about how I built this closet. Well, me and my significant other, how we built this closet. It's a fairly small closet, so I wanted to try to make the space, make best of the space as best as possible. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So this is an IKEA closet, and when I say IKEA closet, I mean the bookshelves and this dresser here are all from IKEA. So I originally just had one bookcase. I had one main bookcase, and then I had this skinny one here, and I had another one, and that was the basis of my closet. So this is actually the second time that I'm redoing my closet, but that just was not conducive to the amount of clothing and all of the things that we have. Plus I wanted to make sure that I have an adequate room to include my my honey's stuff in here too. He doesn't have a lot of stuff, but he does have some things. So what I did was I went out and I bought another bookcase. Now this is the Billy bookcase from IKEA. It's about $59. So I purchased another one of these, and then I purchased this dresser, and this dresser, I believe it is called Brimnes, Brimnes, and I love it. It's just white. It just went perfectly with what I was trying to do. I got these extra shelves. These do go with the Billy bookcase. So these are the glass shelves from the Billy brand. So I got 3 of those, and then the bookcase itself comes with 5 shelves, but if you need extra shelves, you can just purchase those, and those are $15 each. So as I said, I will insert a clip of what my closet looked like before I did this so you guys can see. This one stayed here. We took out the skinny bookcase that was there, and we moved the clothes that was here down here. So this is where all the clothing will be, the main clothing will be. We included this dresser. I love this dresser. It does come like this with the glass front. It does come like this with the glass front, and then it has 2, you know, decent sized drawers. So I just decided to put all my jeans in here. This top drawer is where all of my workout clothes are here, and then the bottom drawer is where I keep my bikinis, swimsuits, and my lingerie girl. That's where I keep my frisky stuff down there. And then this closet, I have a lot of shoes. I had a lot of shoes, guys, so I had to make sure. I still feel like I didn't have enough room for the shoes, but somehow I made it work. So I have all of my main shoes that I wear here. This is missing a space because I have these shoes out now to where I just wore these shoes, but I just put like my weather stuff up there because I live in Florida, if you didn't know. So I don't really wear that stuff too often, so I put that stuff up there, and then just the overflow of shoes. And actually, that shoe box does not have sneakers in it. Now that I'm looking at it, the shoes for that are here, so I could actually throw that away, but I probably won't because I like to keep boxes and shopping bags and things for keepsake. I'm weird like that. I don't know. But this has all my shoes, all my heels, wedges, my boots. I put a section of clothing here, just like kind of like the stuff that doesn't go with my other clothing. Like this is not like my everyday stuff that I wouldn't wear, so I just stuck that here. I wanted to also put somewhere for like my sweats, because that's my favorite thing to wear, sweatpants. And then here I have all of my wallets. I found these little cute things from IKEA as well. I forget what they're called, but I found them in the self-service section. If I can find the name of them, I will list them down below. I got these also from IKEA, these baskets, and I just used these to put in all of my sandals. And then in this one, I'm putting in all of my flip-flops, all of my slides, and all of my flip-flop shoes. And then there was just a little bit of space left, so I just used that for my overflow of hangers that I have. And then this bin is just for hats, and then I have like some eyeglass cases there that you guys can see. And then, you know, I use every ounce of space in this closet. So I have his shoes there, his hats, and then in the center is where I'm showcasing all of my bags. Yeah, I have shelves actually hidden back here. There's shelves, there's a shelf here, so I have stuff there too, and then one down below. So I just put all my work stuff here, winter stuff, his clothes, and then all of my tops and dresses and things. And I did try to color coordinate as best as I could. I feel like that makes the organization a little bit better when you color coordinate versus just putting all your dresses together or putting all your shirts together. I just color coordinated, so I have all my shirts, my dresses. If it's a shirt, a dress, or whatever, if it's white, it's in the white section. That's how I did mine. And then over here, it's just kind of like the overflow of just stuff. I have all of my scarves there, just a lot of just miscellaneous stuff that I want to keep there. My belts, hats. This is just extra space in my closet that I'm going to be using. And then up top, those baskets, I already had that basket. I just reworked it to fit in all of the extra products and stuff that I had underneath the sink. And then this one is my overflow of makeup. So the black one is the overflow of makeup, and then this one is just the extra products. I'm gonna probably make a label, but I got these from Home Goods. And these two baskets are also from Home Goods. And what else? I think that's it. So yeah, I love my closet. It just so nice. I actually redid the whole bathroom. Well, kind of not redid it, but I just really kind of just went in, cleaned it really good, and just made it pretty. And now I love my bathroom area. This is my favorite room in the house right now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my little DIY closet makeover closet tour. I'll leave everything linked down below that I purchased for this closet makeover, and then I will see you guys in my next video.